Welcome. In front of me is OPPO Reno 14 FS 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your microphone isn't working on this phone. So first of all, you can try to physically clean your microphone that is located at the bottom edge of your device, right between SD card slot and the charging port. This tiny hole in between them is your microphone. As you can see, there is not much tools you can clean it with, but I recommend only not using a metallic tool because it can cause the breakage of your phone. So just if you want to clean your microphone physically, if you see that it's clogged, then try using a solid material element so that you make sure that it doesn't break inside and doesn't make things even worse, and doesn't clog your microphone too. But before you do that, you can try a couple of things like testing your microphone in the sound recording application. So just open the list of all applications and search for recorder. Once you find it, open it, then try to test it by starting a sample recording, and once you're done, click save, then try to play it to hear how you sound on it, if you can hear it. Also make sure to increase your volume level by pressing the volume up button right here. By starting a sample recording. Okay, and to improve your voice, to improve your the way your microphone works, you have to go to the settings, then sound and vibration, and in sound and vibration scroll down to clear voice effect and disable it by switching the toggle to the left, and then try again opening the recorder application and recording another sample of your voice, and then check the difference between the first and the second recording. Save the recording and then try to play it of your voice by starting of your voice, and this way you will improve your microphone quality. Now, to make things even better, you have to go to the settings, then select System and Update section, go to Software Update, make sure that you're connected to the internet and check if your device has any updates to install, and if it does have any, then of course take your time to download and install the latest software version. And after that, hopefully this problem will no longer appear on your phone. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.